Welcome to this Let Go meditation. For today's session, all you need is to be warm and comfortable. So if you need a blanket or some warm socks, you can grab them now. Eventually, you'll be lying down on your back with the arms relaxed alongside the body, palms facing up, the soles of the feet on the ground and the knees bent. So make yourself comfortable. And when you are ready, allow the eyes to drop close. We'll start just with a conscious inhale in through the nostrils and a complete exhale out of the mouth. In through the nostrils and out of the mouth. Just one last time, in through the nose and out of the mouth. And then continue breathing in through the nose and out of the mouth for now. But start to become aware of the points of contact of your body with the ground. Become aware of the contact of the back of the head with the ground. The contact of the back of the shoulders and arms, the back of the hands with the ground. The back of your pelvis, the soles of the feet. And as you notice the body and its contact with the ground, allow it to feel completely supported, so that we can start to let go of unnecessary tension. We can start to let go of any engagement of the muscles, just now fully releasing. On your next inhale, breathe in through the nostrils. And as you exhale, consciously relax the jaw. One more time, in through the nostrils. Exhale through the mouth and relax the jaw. Breathe in through the nostrils. Exhale through the mouth and relax your neck. Breathe in through the nostrils. Exhale through the mouth. Again, relax your neck. Breathe in through the nostrils. Breathe out of your mouth and relax the shoulders. Breathe in through the nostrils. Breathe out of the mouth, relax your shoulders. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out of the mouth, relax your chest. Breathe in through the nostrils. Breathe out of the mouth, relax your chest. Breathe in through the nostrils. Breathe out of the mouth, relax your belly. One last time, breathe in through the nostrils. Breathe out, relax your belly. Now just breathe in. As you breathe out, focus on letting go. Breathing in. Breathing out, let go. Breathing in. Breathing out, let go. Now come back to breathing in a way that maybe is more natural for you. That might be in and out of the nostrils. However you're most comfortable breathing. And just allow the breath to be now effortless, easily flowing in and out of the body. And imagine that now your feet are growing roots, strong, deep roots down into the soil, moving into the earth. You are deeply rooted in this moment. You are centered and strong like a tree. And each exhale gently clears the mind. As you allow the body to be in a position of rest and the breath to flow easily in and out of the body, focus on silently watching whatever arises in your mind. As you notice a thought, an image arising in the vast space of your mind, take the time to name it. Notice what it is. Are you planning or remembering or analyzing or wishing? Notice and label. And then allow this thought or image or memory to float away like a balloon in the sky. Watch it rise up and away into the sky. As events form into the vast space of your mind, take the time to repeat the process. Name them, and then let them drift into the sky. Know that you can let go. You are in control. You can imagine that you are holding the string of the balloon in your hand. And as something arrives in your mind that you do not need in this moment, imagine that you can place that thought into the balloon and you are holding the string of that balloon. So with the string in your hand, you know that you are in control. You know that you can let go of whatever comes up that does not serve you right now, simply by allowing that balloon to float away. You can just release the grip and let go of the balloon. You may need to repeat this process a number of times as something arrives that does not serve you right now. You know that you are in control. You can add that thought to an imaginary balloon, and imagining that you are holding the string of that balloon. Remind yourself that you are in control. You can let go of what does not serve you right now. You are in control. You can choose when to let go. Every time you are releasing something that does not serve you, you give yourself the opportunity to come back to the present moment, to come back to what is right now. A relaxed body, calm mind, a clear mind. Now start to notice the sound of your own breath. Gentle sound of the inhalation and of the exhalation. And then bring some awareness into the body, beginning to wiggle fingers and toes, maybe circling wrists and ankles, maybe turning the head side to side. And as you start to gently awaken the body, make the movements gradually bigger and bigger. Maybe even stretching the legs out long and taking a full body stretch as you gently start to awaken the body. Letting go of the meditation and coming back to the present. Take a moment rolling over onto one side, just for a couple of breaths, gently coming back to some movement. And then press yourself all the way up into a seated position. We'll close the practice with a breath together, sitting up with a tall spine. We join the hands together at the heart center. Let's take a long inhale together. Complete exhale out of the mouth. And let's do it one more time together. Inhale. And out of the mouth, exhale. Namaste.